Students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 15, the 7 continents revision. So, the Earth's surface consists of 7 very large of land entirely or almost entirely surrounded by the ocean, and they are called continents, and they are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, North America, Europe, and South America. So, Europe and Asia together are often called Eurasia. So, here we can see seven different types of continents, and they are North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, South Africa, Antarctica, North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, so on. So there are seven continents, and here we can find the photograph of seven continents. So this land has been divided into seven main areas, which area and each areas are called continent. So these land has been divided into seven main areas, and these areas are called continents. So seven main areas are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, then Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. So, the seven continents are Asia, Australia, Africa, Antarctica, North America, South America, Europe, and it is seen that each continent has a special shape. Some of these continents are connected while the water specters other. So, some of continents are connected, and some of are separate. So these are the seven continents in our Earth. Earth is divided into seven main continents. So seven continents. So here we can find a photograph of seven continents and their name. So it's a North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. So there are seven continents and divided into seven different names. And then land and water. So what is a land and what is a water? So the land earth is mostly uh, mm, made of water and land. So earth is made up of water and land, and mostly water is 3 and 4 of the earth is covered in water, and big bodies of water on the earth are called ocean. So big bodies of waters are called oceans, and the big pieces of the lands on the earth are called continent. So big bodies of water is called a ocean, and big pieces of land is called a continent. So here we can see a blue part is a water and yellow part is a divided in continent. So our earth is made up of land and water. And then now Asia. So, Asia made up of numerous countries, that the largest of which include Russia, China, and India. So, here we can find that a photograph of Asia continents, and the Asia is divided in so many countries. And in most or large country is Russia, China, and India. So here we can see Russia, then China, and the India. So these are three main countries in Asia. So the Pacific Ocean lies to the east while the Indian Ocean fall on the southwest. So here two oceans are Pacific Oceans and the South West. So children, you all are understand about Asia. So now next here we can see there are different types of peoples are live in Asia, and Asia is the biggest continent and has most people. It is very crowded in some parts of Asia. So Asia is the biggest continent and there are so many people live, and China, India and Russia, these are three main countries in Asia continent. And China is one of very big country in Asia. So China is one of a big country in Asia, and uh, giants pandas live in China and eat bamboo. So giants pandas are also live in China, and a cool place to visit in Asia is the Great Wall of China. So here we can see a Great Wall of China is mostly visit in Asia and largest structure ever built by a man. So, China wall is Great Wall is built by a man. So, children, you all are understand about Asia continent. So now Africa. So here we can see this is a Africa continent, and Africa is the second largest of the continents, covered around 22% of the world's land area, and equator or instructs it, and an expansive landmass covered the Sahara, which is the world's largest desert. So here we can find a Sahara desert. So it's a world largest desert, and the Nile, the longest river. So here we can see a Nile river is the longest river on earth, and as well as 53 nations. So Africa in we find that a largest river and a longest river and largest desert. So Africa is a second largest continent and covered around 22% of the world's land area. So here we see that Africa is a very hot continent, and because the equator runs through the middle of it, and lions live in Africa, and most people in Africa have a dark skin and hair. So here we can see African people have a dark skin and hair, and also a lion lives in Africa. So Africa in we find the equator runs through the middle of, and that's why Africa is very hot. Because of Africa is very hot, and that's why African peoples have a dark skin. So children, you all are understand about Africa. So now next Australia. So here we can see a photograph of Australia continent. So Australia is as a continent includes the mainland of Australia along with Tasmania and many of the islands throughout the Pacific Ocean. So the Indian Ocean borders and the west and the south, while the Pacific is on the east. So Australia is a continent include the mainland and Australia along with a Tasmania and one of many of the lands throughout the Pacific Ocean and Australia. So, Australia is an island continent, and here we can see the native people in Australia are called Aborigines. Aborigines. So, other people in Australia are related to criminals sent from Europe long ago, and then kangaroo and koalas and the uh, platypuses live in Australia. So here we can see koalar, kangaroo, and platypuses live in Australia, and the Great Barrier Reef is in Australia. And the weather in the Australia is the opposite of our weather. So our weather and Australia weather is different, and Australia is an island continent, and there kangaroos, koalar, and other animals are live. So children, you all are understand about Australia. So now we are going to learn South America. So here we can see a photograph of South America continent, and the South America is made up of 12 countries. So in South America is made up of 12 countries, and the Pacific Ocean borders South America to the west and the Atlantic to the east. Here Pacific is south and west in Atlantic Ocean. So the South America is made up of 12 countries, and South America is the warm continent. So here we can see South America is a warm continent, and people there speak mostly Spanish. The South America's people mostly speak Spanish language, and the biggest country is the Brazil, and where people love to play soccer. And the Amazon rainforest is South Africa. Here we can see Amazon rainforest is in South America. So South America is made up of 12 countries, and it is a warm continent, and mostly the people of South America speak Spanish. So children, you all are understand about South America. So now we are going to learn North America. So here we can see a photograph of North America, and here Canada and United States of America, and then Mexico. So North America is made up of 4 countries, and it's Canada is the furthest north, and the United States is the middle, and Mexico is the furthest south, and Greenland. So Greenland is the Iceland of North America, lying northeast of Canada. So there are 3 oceans that touch North America, and the Arctic to north, and the Pacific to the west, and the Atlantic to the east. So North America is made up of 4 countries, and it is Canada, then Greenland, Mexico, and United States of America. So the North America is continents which we live. Also North America is cold in the north and warm in the south, and buffalo live in the North America, and people in North America come here from many other countries. And the USA, Mexico, and Canada are the three biggest countries in the North America. So, USA, then Mexico, and Canada, these are the three main countries of North America, and also buffaloes live in North America. So, children, North America is made up of four countries, and it's people in North America come from other countries. So, children, you all are understand about North America. So now next Europe. So Europe, there are 47 countries in Europe. So here we can see there are 47 countries. So people in Europe speak over 50 languages, and the weather in Europe is similar to the North America, cold in the north and warm in the south. So Europe in mostly people speak different languages, and it is for there are 47 countries in Europe, and Europe's weather is similar to North America, cold in the north and warm in the south. So children, you all are understand about North America, now Antarctica. So here we can see a photograph of Antarctica continent, and Antarctica is made up of five regions and the Iceland chain. And the ocean surrounding Antarctica has recently been renamed as the Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. So Antarctica is made up of five regions and the Iceland chain, and the ocean surrounding Antarctica has recently been renamed as the Antarctic Ocean. So Antarctica. So here we can see Antarctica is the coldest continent, and no people live in Antarctica, but some scientists and visit to study weather or animals there, and many kind of penguins live in Antarctica. So mostly penguins are live in Antarctica, and no peoples live in Antarctica because it is a very coldest continent. And some of scientists visit to study there, and mostly penguins are live in Antarctica. So, children, you all are understand about Antarctica continent. So now next, oceans. So what is the oceans, and which types of oceans we have? So here we can see the blue part. In this blue part is oceans, and oceans are Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, then Southern Ocean. So there are five type of oceans, and the ocean. So what is ocean? The Pacific Ocean stretch 641,860,000 square miles and has an average depth of 15,250 feet, and the Atlantic Ocean stretch 33420,000 square miles and has an average depth of 12,881 feet, and the Indian Ocean stretch is 2,835,000 square miles and has an average depth of 30,002 feet. So the oceans are a large water bodies, and it called a ocean. Many parts of Earth is covered with oceans, and the Arctic Ocean stretches 5106000 square miles and has an average depth of 3953 feet. So Atlantic Ocean stretches 7,848,300 square miles and has an average depth of 13,164,000 feet. So oceans are large water bodies, and uh, there are five types of ocean. So, children, you all are understand about different types of oceans are there. Here we can find oceans. Then we can see different types of continents and ocean. So there are seven types of continents, and uh, there are seven types of continents and five types of ocean. So now we revise it. First is there are land has been divided into seven main areas, and each area is called a continent. So there are many types of seven types of continent: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Antarctica. So this land has been divided into seven main areas, and each area is called continent. So the seven continents are Asia, Australia, Africa, Antarctica, North America, South America, and Europe. And it is that continent has special shapes. Some of these continents are connected while the water separates other. And the seven continents are North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa. Seven continents are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. So there are seven continents, and land. Our Earth is made up of land and water, and the Earth is uh, mostly covered with water, and the big bodies of water is called ocean, and the big pieces of ocean is called earth. So Asia is made up of numerous countries, and in Russia, China, and India is main countries or big countries in the Asia. And there are China is one of the big countries in Asia, and Asia is the biggest continent and has most people. It is very crowded in some parts of Asia. And then Africa is second largest continent, covered around 22 of the world's and land areas, and there are a long biggest desert, and it is a Sahara desert, and a biggest river. It is a Nile river. And then Africa. So Africa is a very hot continent, and also live in Africa. Most people's skin is dark. And then Australia. So Australia is a continent, include the mainland Australia along with Tasmania and many of the Iceland. So Australia is Iceland continent, and native people in Australia are called Aborigines, and kangaroo koalas are live there. And then South America is made up of 12 countries, and South America in warm continent, and also a biggest country is Brazil. Then North America. So North America is made up of four country, and it's Canada, United States of America, Mexico, and Greenland. And then Europe. So Europe is made up of 47 countries, and Europe speak mostly 15 languages, and the weather of Europe is similar to the North America. And then Antarctica. So Antarctica is made up of five regions and the one island chain, and its surrounding Antarctica has recently renamed with Antarctica Ocean. And in Antarctica, mostly penguins are live. Then oceans. So oceans are five types of oceans: Antarctica Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Southern Ocean. And then ocean major part, earth major part is covered with ocean. So children, so now the earth surface consists of seven very large areas of land, entirely or almost entirely surrounded by ocean, and they are called continents. So they are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, North America, Europe, and South America. So, Europe and Asia together are often called Eurasia. So, answer the following question. Number one, which is the biggest continent? So, it's Asia. Asia is the biggest continent. Very good. So now number two, which is the smallest continent? So smallest continent is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Then number three, which is the only continent covered with the ice? So it's Antarctica. Antarctica is covered with an ice. Now number four, name the continent which also make up the country. So it's Australia. Australia is a mix up of one country. Now, number five and last, in which continent India is situated? So, in Asia, India is situated. So, you all enjoy, very good. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, I will see you next time. And also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you, students.